Right, so should be another really quick video. So it's about Classroom. I'm currently in my teacher classroom, my teacher point of view. Now, why Classroom for me works so well is it because it takes all of Google's ecosystem and pulls all these really cool features and puts it into a package that is designed for a teacher and a student experience. So I'm really going to show you really quickly Google Calendar. So you can access your Google Calendar on your phone or through the kind of the 9 squares, the grid, the waffle, or you can click on Google Calendar. So this Google Calendar will be specifically for this classroom, and so you can see the default view is Monday to Friday. You can see down here I've actually got different calendars for different courses because I am actually in my account. But if I wanted to see, pretty sure I set a deadline, didn't I, for, was it Saturday? So if I click on Saturday, he says, and the deadline was, there you go, the deadline was 11:58. That was for that demo worksheet. As you can see, that I didn't have to put it in my calendar, and I didn't have to put it in my students' calendar, but by assigning it a deadline, it automatically rolls out across all the calendars on your app, on your phone, and honestly, it's a seamless integration. So if I come out of there, the other feature I've kind of showed you already, but if you click on Class Drive folder, that will take you to your Google Drive, but it'll take you to My Drive, Classroom, and this is the demo classroom. So you can see this is the material I've created so far. So as I say, for an EV, an external visit from the moderator, if they need to see, they don't need to see all the learning that's gone on, but they need to see kind of a summative assessment. They can, let's say we're looking at this demo worksheet, you can easily share individuals with the moderator, so you could share and just type in their email address. You can, if you want, you could download and put them in if the moderator needs them kind of the traditional way on a PC, you can do that. Or you can do the same for the actual folder, so you could share the entire folder. So let's say in theory the moderator is kind of up to date with technology, and they've got a Google account, brilliant, so you could share their Gmail address or their email address, or we can get a shareable link, and we only want them to be able to let's say anyone with the link, and we only want them to be able to view. So we know that they are not going to be editing the students' work, they're just literally going to be viewing it. So we can say that, we can say that's the parameters we want, we only want them to view. We can just copy that link, or you can press the copy link button and then email them or provide it on the day, whatever it may be, and they will only have access to the things they've asked for. So it's really good from a moderation point of view as well.